Hello my dear student, today I am going to explain the activity on absorption of water. The aim of this activity is to observe how the plant absorbs water from the soil.
This activity is related to class 6 of science chapter 7 getting to know plants. To show that water moves up with the help of stem.
Material requires a dropper, beaker with water, a 20 tin of balsam with flour, or you can take Sadafuli flower with white flour, red ink, blue ink and knife. Then method A. In this method, take a beaker with some water and put a few drops of red ink in it. Take a tender twig with leaves and white flowers and keep it in a beaker for 8 to 10 hours. After 8 to 10 hours, you observe red color lines through the stem, leaves and flowers. It indicates that water moves up through the stem, but how does water reach other parts? To find this, cut across the stem and look for the presence of red color. Red color is present around the periphery of the stem in a small particles in a twig. The small patches in fact are the narrow tubes present inside the stem. In method B, take 3 beakers with water. Now add a few drops of red ink to the water of beaker A. Keep one branch of tender twig in a beaker A. Put a few drops of red ink in beaker B and blue ink in beaker C. Take another branch of tender twig and split it in halfway along with its length. Put the two ends in water in beaker B and C. Observe them after 8 to 10 hours.
You observe slightly red color in flower of beaker A and half portion of the flower of beaker B and C, while half flower of beaker B and C will appear bluish in color. It indicates that water with color moves up with the help of tubes present inside the stem. Along with water, minerals dissolved in water also moves up in the stem. From the stem, the water and minerals go to leaves and other parts of the plant. Here is another activity to observe the absorption of water by roots. Method. Take a glass of water and add few drops of ink. The color of water will turn blue. Put the radish in the glass of water for some days. Then cut it into half lengthwise and look inside. What happened? Observation: blue coloring can be seen from the bottom of the top of the radish. इसमें क्या दिख रहा है? Blue color दिख रहा है. Conclusion: water is absorbed by the tip of the radish and has reached inside it along with the blue ink. This activity you have to do at home by using tender twig of Sadafuli flower, white color flowers and the radish root, and you have to observe the absorption of water by stem and the root, and you have to write this method and conclusion in your notebook. Thank you.